Welcome back, everyone. I am using Nic Pro Resin. I have 21.5 grams of resin right here. Let's get this in here real quick. I think I got all my bubbles. Let's get some etter art in here. Shake it up really good. Doesn't hurt to clean off the top every now and again because it does get pretty grody. 1, 2. Mix that up and then we'll get it in our piping bag. I don't know if I said the temperature of my resin. 90.3, I think. Because I was gonna take the thermometer out at 90.1 and all of a sudden it turned to 90.3. Okay. Let's get some colors in here real quick. Aquamarine by LETSRESIN. Oopsie. I guess I'm doing drops of 4 then. I sure like this color. I'm gonna do some aqua. We're gonna do some black by LETSRESIN. I need to cut it open. It's my new bottle. And I missed a bubble. I see it. Oh, and I dropped something in there too. I need to get that out real quick. I don't know if I got it or not. I don't know how to tell besides get some of that out maybe. And I still think I won't be able to tell. Darn it. I'll do a little sapphire blue, I think right in the middle of that one since it's having issues. Magenta. I think I'm gonna put a rose in here. We'll see how that looks. Okay, let's get this in our piping bag. We're gonna twist this and tie it up. Let's do something here. Okay. Oh, that was kind of neat, wasn't it? Blow this off and torch it. Because if you don't, you'll light that alcohol ink on fire. Because I got quite a bit in there. Okay, now we're going to cut the end off of this. That's a pretty big hole I made. I'm going to do another star. Because I really love how that turned out the other day. I was so happy with it. Goodness. This last star looks terrible because it, for one, it blobbed right there. I need to hurry and try to get that. There's a nice big bubble right there. Do you see it? Okay, Now, you can pull them around. You can curve them down and in. You know, whatever to kind of get rid of that little blob on the end. But I think I'm going to, I think I'm going to go outward. What to do, what to do. I think I am, though. Add one more little line right here if I can get away with it. Here. And right here as well. Because for one, I'm pulling it outward, you know what I mean? So, it's stretching it. Already had one right there. I could go in right here, might as well. Okay, I'll leave it alone. I'll torch it and see what happens. All right, guys, I'll put it back on this, probably black, just cause. Anyway, see you soon. Bye. Okay, guys, it wasn't until I turned it over and flipped it around a couple times that I realized the top is the one without the line. But I love it. Yes. Nice. I don't know what I think my mold's falling apart before my eyes. I love that a lot. I think it's beautiful. Love it. Well, now it's having color. I'd still call it the Northstar design. For sure. I love that. It's so beautiful. Sweet. I'll get a picture of this posted. And I hope you guys have a super amazing day. See ya.